What's the one gift that could save someone thousands of dollars, endless headaches with insurance companies, and that helpless feeling when they're blamed for an accident they didn't cause? A dash cam isn't just another gadget. It's evidence, protection, and peace of mind all wrapped up in one package. This holiday season, while everyone else is giving candles and gift cards, you could be the person who gives actual security on the road. Welcome back to Top Tech Now, where we dig into the tech that actually matters so you can find those perfect gifts for your Christmas list. Today we're covering 5 exceptional dash cams that range from budget-friendly protection to premium surveillance systems. Whether you're shopping for the daily commuter in your life, a teen driver who just got their license, or parents who deserve that extra layer of safety, we've got options that deliver when it counts. All product links are in the description with the best prices we could find. The ROVE R2-4K Dual brings professional-grade features to your holiday shopping without the professional price tag. Your gift recipient gets complete front and rear coverage, with the front camera using Sony's STARVIS 2 sensor technology. This means remarkably clear video even when streetlights are the only illumination on a dark road. That rear camera adds crucial visibility where most drivers need it, watching what's happening behind the vehicle. Built-in GPS tracks location, speed, and route data, creating an airtight record when insurance needs proof. What makes this particularly attractive for gift giving is the included 128GB memory card right in the box. Whoever unwraps this on Christmas morning can start using it immediately without hunting down extra accessories or spending more money. The magnetic mount makes moving between vehicles simple, perfect if your gift recipient needs flexibility or shares cars with family members. Voice control keeps hands on the wheel. Just a spoken command locks important footage or captures a photo. 3 parking modes, including motion detection, mean the car stays monitored even when parked at the mall during those crazy holiday shopping runs. The nighttime rear camera footage runs a bit dimmer compared to the front, particularly for reading license plates in the dark. The front camera handles low light beautifully though. It's best for anyone wanting solid dual camera protection that respects your holiday budget because it delivers essential coverage with genuinely user-friendly features at an incredibly approachable price point. The Garmin Dash Cam 67W brings name-brand reliability wrapped in one of the smallest packages available. This compact Guardian records in sharp 1440p resolution across an extra-wide 180-degree field of view. It captures not just the lane ahead, but also cross-traffic coming from the sides, crucial for those intersection incidents that always seem to happen at the worst possible time. Garmin's Clarity HDR technology automatically balances bright and dark areas, so headlights don't blow out license plate details and those shadowy morning commutes still look crystal clear. The magnetic mount system shows thoughtful engineering. Just stick a coin-sized magnet to the windshield and the camera snaps on and off in seconds. It's perfect for anyone who wants discreet installation or needs to move the camera between vehicles throughout the week. Built-in GPS logs every location, while voice control responds reliably to commands like "OK Garmin, save video," without the driver taking eyes off the road. The Garmin Drive app lets your gift recipient view footage remotely when connected to Wi-Fi, and Vault Storage automatically uploads incident recordings to the cloud for secure backup. Driver assistance features include forward collision warnings, lane departure alerts, and notifications when traffic moves ahead. Helpful extras that make this feel like a premium safety system rather than just a camera. The small 2-inch screen works fine for setup and quick playback, though anyone wanting to review detailed footage will prefer connecting to a phone or computer. It's best for the tech-savvy person on your holiday list who values premium brand quality in a truly compact design because it combines professional-grade recording with Garmin's legendary ease of use. The VIOFO A229 Plus delivers video clarity that makes you wonder how cameras this small produce such professional results. Both front and rear cameras use Sony's STARVIS 2 sensors, capturing 1440p resolution, meaning whoever receives this gift gets equally impressive footage from both ends of the vehicle. The real magic happens in challenging light. Whether it's a rainy night with glaring headlights or a sunset creating harsh shadows, those dual sensors handle it gracefully without washing out or losing detail. The 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection means lightning-fast video transfers to a smartphone, so your gift recipient can quickly share footage with insurance or review an incident without waiting forever for files to download. The quad-mode GPS supports 4 different satellite systems for incredibly precise location tracking that holds up under scrutiny. Voice control works in multiple languages for convenience, and the system supports memory cards up to 512 GB for extensive recording capacity. 3 parking modes provide round-the-clock protection, including motion detection that buffers video before and after events to capture complete context. Setup follows a straightforward process with helpful on-screen guidance, and the static mounting stickers protect windshields from sticky residue. Thoughtful details showing VIOFO understands real-world use. The adhesive mount isn't quite as portable as magnetic systems if someone needs to move the camera frequently between vehicles. It's best for drivers who prioritize exceptional image quality day and night, because those dual STARVIS 2 sensors deliver the kind of footage that actually matters when filing claims or reporting incidents to authorities. We've covered 3 solid options so far, but before we dive into the premium picks that really take protection to the next level, if you're finding this helpful for your Christmas shopping, hit that subscribe button and check the description for links to all these dash cams with current pricing. We're constantly researching the latest tech to make your holiday gift-giving easier and more meaningful. For the person on your holiday list who deserves the absolute best, the Vantrue N4 S represents the ultimate dash cam system. This 4-channel setup records everything: front, rear, and 2 interior-facing cameras that capture both the cabin and side windows. We're talking genuine 360-degree coverage that misses nothing. The front camera hits 1944p resolution while maintaining excellent color and detail. The rear camera delivers sharp 1440p footage, and both interior cameras include infrared LED lights for clear nighttime cabin recording, even in total darkness. All 4 cameras use Sony STARVIS 2 sensor technology, ensuring consistent quality across every angle captured. The system works beautifully for rideshare drivers, parents monitoring teen drivers, or anyone wanting comprehensive documentation of their journeys. Built-in GPS with dual system positioning tracks routes with impressive accuracy, and the 5 GHz Wi-Fi enables smooth video previewing through the Vantrue app without frustrating lag. Voice control works in multiple languages, keeping operation hands-free, and over-the-air updates mean the system actually improves over time rather than becoming obsolete. The buffered parking mode saves footage from 10 seconds before an incident through 30 seconds after, capturing complete context around any event, rather than starting the recording after something already happened. The N4 S supports massive 1 TB memory cards for extended storage, and optional LTE connectivity allows remote monitoring from anywhere, perfect for checking on a vehicle while traveling to visit family during the holidays. The magnetic mount design allows easy camera removal while keeping cables tidy and organized. This represents a significant investment compared to single or dual camera systems, and the installation requires more thoughtful cable management with 4 cameras to route and hide. However, no other system provides this level of comprehensive coverage. It's best for anyone who wants 0 blind spots and premium protection, because this delivers professional-grade surveillance that captures every angle inside and out. The Vantrue N4 Pro S bridges premium features and practical value with 3-channel coverage and some genuinely impressive capabilities. The front camera records true 4K resolution at 3840 by 2160, the highest resolution in this entire lineup, while the interior camera and 2.5K rear camera ensure complete vehicle coverage. That front camera sensor is the same Sony STARVIS 2 IMX678 used in systems costing significantly more, delivering exceptional detail for reading license plates and street signs even from considerable distances. Vantrue's Plate Pix technology specifically enhances license plate clarity, making this particularly valuable for documenting hit-and-runs or traffic incidents where plate numbers make or break the case. The interior camera features infrared LED lights for clear nighttime recording, important for rideshare drivers or parents monitoring new drivers learning the ropes. The rear camera carries IP67 waterproof rating, allowing exterior mounting on trucks or vehicles without rear windows, a flexibility most systems simply don't offer. Built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi provides fast file transfers, and GPS tracking documents every location and speed throughout the drive. The system supports optional LTE connectivity through a separate module, enabling remote monitoring and instant alerts when away from the vehicle. 4 parking mode options, including motion detection, provide round-the-clock protection. The large 3.19-inch screen makes in-vehicle playback genuinely usable, and voice control supports multiple languages for hands-free operation. The physical size runs noticeably larger than compact single-camera options, which some drivers might find slightly more visible on the windshield. Getting the best results also requires fine-tuning some settings rather than pure plug-and-play simplicity out of the box. It's best for drivers who want genuine 4K front recording with comprehensive coverage because it delivers flagship-level video quality across 3 channels, at a price that respects your holiday budget. That wraps our holiday gift guide to dash cams that truly protect the people you care about. Whether you're giving peace of mind to a daily commuter, a parent sending their teen off to college, or someone who simply deserves that extra layer of security on the road, these cameras deliver when it matters most. Each one brings something special, from budget-friendly dual coverage to premium 4-channel systems. Check the description for direct links and current pricing on all 5. If this helped with your Christmas shopping, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Top Tech Now for more gift ideas and tech recommendations throughout the season. From all of us here, happy holidays, safe travels, and thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.